Each day reveals another step. No need to rush at all. The light unfolds through daily acts, through patience learned in time. No sudden leap, no forced ascent, just truth that slowly climbs. Piece by piece, as wisdom finds its way, no truth arrives before its time. Each step prepares the way. Through steady faith and gentle trust, the soul begins to see. Illumination grows in rhythm as we learn what we can be. Each lesson earned through honest work refines the inner voice. What blooms today was seeded long before it came to sight. The roots grew deep in silent ground, preparing for the light. The light awakens piece by piece as wisdom finds its way. Truth arrives before its time. Each step prepares the way. Through steady faith and gentle trust, the soul begins to see. Illumination grows in rhythm as we learn what we can be. No hunger for the sudden gift, no chase for hidden power. The soul matures through sacred time, like fruit upon the bough. The flame is kept in careful hands, not pushed, not torn apart. The slow becoming shapes the mind and steadies mind and heart. Through patient work and balanced days, through trust in what is real, the inner light grows strong and clear because it had time to build. No truth arrives before it fits, no wisdom comes unearned. The gradual path reveals the soul through every step we learn. Patience.